Brienz is just an hour from Bern, but it feels like a whole different world. The name might not be as famous as Interlaken or Lucerne, but trust me, it's just as magical. It's 28 degrees, the sun is out, and the only thing on the agenda slowing down and soaking in summer. I hop on a train heading toward Interlaken and then switch to one of those charming regional trains that winds its way along the lake. You step off the train and you're surrounded by wooden chalets, mountain air, and flowers that seem to bloom just for you. Brian Station is tiny, almost too cute to be real. No city buzz, no noise, just birds, the occasional cowbell, and your footsteps on a quiet street. I felt like I had stepped inside a painting. Brienz is known for wood carving, and you can feel it in every detail, from carved window shutters to benches that look like artwork. The streets are filled with tiny surprises: a shy cat sunbathing, handmade signs, little fountains. It's a place that invites you to wander with no destination. And I did exactly that. And then there it was, like Brien's blue, green, turquoise. It's impossible to describe. The water is so clear, it reflects your thoughts. Even the boats here seem to move more slowly, as if afraid to disturb the calm. And you think, how can something this simple be so beautiful? I found a quiet spot right by the water. The lake was calm, the stones were warm, and everything smelled like pine and sun. Then came the summer lunch bread, cheese, simple but perfect. People nearby were swimming, sunbathing, reading, everyone in their own little bubble of peace. Brienz is one of those places you don't just visit, you feel it. It leaves a softness inside you. I made my way back to the train slowly, as if my feet didn't want to leave. It felt like the kind of day I'll want to remember when everything gets too fast again. Thank you for coming along on this little journey. If you ever find yourself in Switzerland, take the trip to Brienz. Let the lake slow you down until next time.